We're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the brand new DJI Osmo 360 Mark II and Insta360 X6. DJI comes in strong with native 8K video at 60 frames per second, 120 megapixel panoramic photos, and powerful high frame rate shooting modes. On the other hand, Insta360 X6 packs dual 1.1-inch sensors, excellent pure video low light performance, and native Dolby Vision, along with longer battery life. Both let you capture everything around you and reframe the shot later. So the big question is, should you prioritize DJI's creative flexibility and value, or Insta360's refined image quality and endurance? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two 360 cameras and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's kick things off with design, display, and durability, because these cameras may look similarly compact, but there are some meaningful differences. The DJI Osmo 360 Mark II weighs 183 grams, making it slightly lighter than the Insta360 X6 at around 197 grams, which can matter when mounting the camera on a helmet, pole, or backpack. DJI uses a 2.0-inch touchscreen rated at 800 nits, giving you a clear interface for changing settings outdoors. On the other hand, Insta360 X6 features a larger 2.32-inch OLED touchscreen with haptic feedback, making menus and playback feel more spacious and polished. Both cameras use replaceable lenses, which is useful because exposed 360-degree lenses can easily get scratched. DJI adds an ion-sputtered coating, but the X6 is rated for 20 meters of waterproofing without a case, compared with DJI's 10 meters. So, if you value a larger display and stronger underwater durability, the Insta360 X6 has the advantage. Moving on to image quality, low light performance, and color, this is where the competition becomes much tighter. The DJI Osmo 360 Mark II records native 8K 360-degree video at up to 60 frames per second, meaning fast movement can look smoother than on the Insta360 X6, which reaches 8K at 50 frames per second. DJI also captures 120 megapixel panoramic photos with HDR and RAW support, and offers up to 14.5 stops of claimed dynamic range, helping preserve details in bright highlights and darker shadows. On the other hand, Insta360 X6 uses dual 1.1-inch sensors and pure video processing, which produce cleaner footage when shooting at night, indoors, or around twilight. Both support 10-bit color for smoother color gradients, while DJI provides D-Log-M and Insta360 adds iLog plus native Dolby Vision. DJI gives you more flexibility for motion-heavy shooting, but the X6 delivers more refined, low-light results. So, if you value nighttime image quality and polished footage straight from the camera, the Insta360 X6 is the stronger choice. When it comes to stabilization, subject tracking, and creative shooting, the DJI Osmo 360 Mark II puts a lot of emphasis on giving creators more ways to experiment. Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Steady help smooth out walking, cycling, and action footage, while Spotlight Follow can automatically keep a subject in frame and export tracked 4K flat video without requiring you to manually reframe every moment. DJI also records 4K panoramic slow motion at up to 240 frames per second, which means fast action can be slowed down dramatically while remaining smooth. It even supports AI frame interpolation, vortex mode at up to 8K and 120 frames per second with the optional rotating handle, plus 16K time-lapse capture. On the other hand, Insta360 X6 offers InstaFrame 2.0, which can lock onto a subject with a double tap and create stabilized, gimbal-like framing that is especially useful for solo vlogging. So if you value maximum creative flexibility, high frame rate shooting, and automated subject tracking, the DJI Osmo 360 Mark II is the more versatile option. Moving on to battery life, storage, and software, the two cameras trade advantages depending on how you shoot. DJI equips the Osmo 360 Mark II with a 2,150 mAh battery, rated for around 100 minutes of continuous 8K recording at 30 frames per second, and fast charging can reach about 80% in approximately 22 minutes with a compatible charger. It also includes 128 gigabytes of internal storage, with roughly 105 gigabytes available, which gives you plenty plenty of space before adding a memory card. On the other hand, Insta360 X6 uses a larger 2600 mAh battery, rated for 140 minutes at the same 8K frame rate, making it better suited to long recording sessions, although it provides only 47 gigabytes of usable internal storage. Insta360 offers broader AI editing tools, but demanding mobile editing showed reliability issues, whereas DJI's Mimo app and Studio provide a cleaner workflow. That means if you prioritize longer battery life, choose the X6, but DJI is stronger for built-in storage and streamlined everyday editing. As for my final verdict, the DJI Osmo 360 Mark II is the better choice for action shooters, travelers, and creators who want faster 8K recording, stronger slow motion, generous internal storage, and more creative flexibility. On the other hand, Insta360 X6 is better for anyone who prioritizes cleaner, low-light footage, longer battery life, deeper waterproofing, and refined image quality. That's all for today's video, so subscribe and comment below if you have any questions.